What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Fresh D,
Vic Almighty,
and Johnny Bubbles.
So first off, we'd like to say thank you guys for getting us to 750K subscribers. So as a reward for helping us reach that milestone, we got something special for you guys. As you can see, we got 5 ultimate kits here that we're gonna be giving away to you guys. So to enter, Vic, what do they gotta do?
All you have to do is comment below your favorite video and a contact method like your email, Twitter handle, and Instagram handle. Just comment below your favorite video.
Yeah guys, just make sure you do that before December 12th and we'll be choosing 5 lucky winners randomly to win 1 ultimate kit. Once again guys, we want to say thank you for getting us to 750K. I'm Johnny Bubbles.
It's your boy Fresh D.
Vic Almighty here.
We'll see you next time.